So I'm at the ophthalmologist getting new glasses. It's been 18 months since I had my eyes checked. And my right one had deteriorated a good bit. And so I got sick of having to clip on things for these, and the Ray-Bans, and clip them on there. And these are my computer glasses. And those are trifocals. So anyway, on the way back, it's Angela's birthday tomorrow. It's Angela back there, Steve's girlfriend. That's the morning girl. She's living there, so they're more than boyfriend and girlfriend, I guess. And I called up to see what she would like for her birthday. And she just said, well, get a vegetable platter like you usually do, and that'll be just fine. But I said, no, really, what do you want for your birthday? She couldn't think of anything. I got Steve on the phone, and he couldn't think of anything. He said, well, something, iPod or iPhone connected, right? So I said, what about a docking station? So I picked her up this Memorex audio system, and I plunked it takes every different iPod and every different, I put my iPhone in it because I know that's what she'll play in it, her iPhone, and I got that for her. I think she'll enjoy it. And while I was there, the guy remembered I was in last week and ordered this answering machine, so it was a pretty productive day. I got glasses and the docking station, and I've got to hook up my answering machine. And I stopped and got myself some more shorts and shirts. So, and then I went to CVS and got one of those bags for put the gift in with the paper and the card. That's me. I'm going to settle in and relax the rest of the day. Watch a movie, maybe play some more Sims 3. Catch up on some vids. Joss put out a good one, and Tamara put out a good one. Want to look at them over again. And thank you all for your participation, and I'll catch you back on the tube.